Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD and GBP USD for Monday. If you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So, my dear friends, yesterday we got to see some sudden upside on dollar index, and as a result of which we saw selling pressure on Euro USD and GBP USD. To be honest, I was looking for answers, but I was unable to find a proper answer, because of which we got to see sudden upside on dollar. And finally, I have the answer. Dollar and gold move higher on French political risk. Election concerns in France give euro worst week in 2 months. The euro was on track for its biggest weekly fall against the dollar in 2 months on Friday on concerns that a new government will worsen France's fiscal situation as a snap parliamentary election approaches. So this is the ongoing market sentiment right now, my dear friends. If you were also clueless yesterday, okay, regarding the sudden move on GBP USD, Euro USD, dollar index, then this is the answer in front of us. Now let's look at the chart of dollar index DXY. So DXY made a high of 105.80 and finally closed at 105.51. So market opening is going to be important. After the market opening, if DXY shows further correction, we will see recovery on Euro USD, GBP USD and others. And we can expect the next support to be around 105.20 and then 105. These are the two levels where you can expect DXY to take support and bounce back. Okay, and if you're wondering why, then we are simply using FIBO here. Okay, we can see FIBO 38.2% retracement level, and here we have FIBO 50% retracement level. And to continue the upside, DXY needs to cross 106 level. It needs to cross 106 level. Then only we can expect the DXY to head towards the next high of 106.50, this high. Okay, so at first it needs to cross this level. So after hitting 105.9080, there may be some price rejection from above. Do not expect a complete trend reversal. Eventually it should break the resistance and move higher. Okay, so this is the market situation right now. So the market opening is going to be important. And if the same market sentiment remains, then obviously dollar index will be going up and we will see pressure on Euro USD and GBP USD. And if that happens, then sell on rise or sell at resistance will be the best trading strategy, because fundamentals provide direction to the market, not the technicals. So fundamentals have given the direction. Now that there's a high chance that market will be down, so we need to use the technicals to find the best entry and exit, obviously. And my reference, the world's most affordable forex trading workshop is back again, that I conduct in both Hindi and English language. दोनों language में होता है. It's a 3 days workshop followed by 1 month support. You'll find all the details on the website. The link is in the description. This workshop has been designed only for those people who are struggling with the market, not for complete beginners. If you're unable to make money, if you, after knowing all the concepts of the market, still you're struggling, then this workshop will be beneficial for you. You can see these are the topics that we will be discussing during the 3 days workshop. Okay, the topics are mentioned here, and as we all know that simply doing classes is not enough. Okay, so I have also kept 4 weekly sessions. So these are the topics for the weekly sessions, like how to set stop loss and how to avoid stop loss hunting, how to avoid false breakout, multi-time frame analysis, and many other things. And after the class, sometimes we get confused. So we have a WhatsApp group where you will be receiving regular market updates like this, so that you can understand that how to proceed with the market. We also conduct live sessions during important events like NFP, CPI, and we try to make money together. So this is just a glimpse of our WhatsApp group, my dear friends. We also have a Telegram community where other members interact with each other, ask questions, share ideas, and many things happen. हिंदी क्लासेस are starting from 21st of June, 21 तारीख से शुरू हो रहा है next Friday, and English classes are starting from 28th of June. You can join now also. You will be receiving free market updates, analysis, And the best part is the fees. It's only $15 for 3 days works or 1 month support. These are the benefits that you'll be receiving. And if you're looking for a longer relationship, if you're looking for personal sessions, then you can go with semi-annual or lifetime. In semi-annual, you will be receiving all the benefits along with 2 personal sessions, and in lifetime, yes, we will be friends forever. And you'll be receiving 6 personal sessions, because trading takes time. We know it very well, and it doesn't happen in 1 month or 2 months. Okay, if you're looking for regular market updates, analysis, and personal sessions to clear your doubts, then yes, semi-annual lifetime can be beneficial for you. And these are the payment methods. Okay, once you're done with the payment, you just need to share a screenshot on this WhatsApp number or email here. Okay, I will be adding you to the group immediately. And my dear friends, if you are very down, okay, in life, just go through the story that I have mentioned on my website. Okay, you will understand that nothing is impossible in the market. That's why I have shared my personal story in detail on my website. Okay, so that okay, you can take it as a motivation or inspiration, whatever you call it. Thank you so much, my dear friends. Okay, if you're interested, okay, please check out the link in the description. So euro dollar after making a low of 1.0668, okay, it closed at 1.0702. This is the last traded price. So here also the market opening is going to play a major role. So right after the market opening, observe the volatility of the market. Usually we don't get to see much volume in the first half. If market acts like a typical normal Monday market, and if you see Euro USD going up, in that case we can look for a sell around 1.0726 and 1.0738 to 50. These are the two levels where we can look for a selling opportunity on the chart of Euro USD if market shows upside with less volume. Why? Let me show you, my dear friends. Here you can see we have the FIBO 38.2% retracement level around 1.0738, and we are considering it as a zone here because you must be knowing that round numbers are psychological levels. So this is a selling zone for us. Okay, and we will also be having the dynamic resistances, and this is also the level from where market fell. So if you see the market is going up but volume is low, then obviously market will face some sellers around this area. And if market reverses, if market shows price rejection from above, we can definitely hit the sell button around 1.0738 to 50. But we also discuss another level around 1.0726. This level here also we are using FIBO, because if we consider FIBO from the top level, okay, we can see here we have FIBO 0.236 plus the previous support is working as resistance here. So the market opening is going to play a major role. Okay, once you see the market is going up, okay, just observe the market behavior around these two levels. Once you'll see the market is showing price rejection from above, hit the sell button. That's it. Okay, on the other hand, if market doesn't go up, because either the market will go up or market will go down. Okay, if market goes up, we will look for sell around these two areas. If market doesn't go up, then we will look for a sell at breakdown below 1.066. Okay, let's consider 666 here. Okay, so we will look for a sell below this number here. If we see market going down, then we can look for a sell below 1.00666. Okay, and where is the next support, my dear friends? We have the next support around 1.0600. This is the next support on the chart of Euro USD, the level from where market went up. And keep in touch with the news, because we got this move because of the news. So any news during the weekend may change the direction of the market or change the momentum of the market again. So news is going to play a major role. And now let's look at the chart of GBP USD. On GBP USD also we have a similar picture. So here also the sellers are dominating. So following the trend of the market, respecting the trend of the market, sell on rise seems to be the best trading strategy here as well. So when we are considering, okay, when we are considering FIBO from the highest point here, okay, we can clearly see we have the selling opportunity around 1.2734. So 1.2734 to 1.27 2.750 is the selling zone for us. Okay, why selling zone? Because if we are doing FIBO from here, you can see this is a nice level here. So 1.2735 to 1.2750 is a selling zone for us. Cool. So if GBP USD shows good amount of bullishness, then we will be looking for sell around this area. But on the other hand, if you see the GBP USD is going up, but the upside is not very strong, in that case you can look for a sell around 1.2713. Here we have the previous support acting as resistance and FIBO 38.2% retracement level. Okay, so these are the two levels where we can look for a sell on GBP USD if it shows upside right after the market opening. So here also the market opening is going to play a major role, and obviously volume is very important. If market goes up with less volume, low volume, the levels should work nicely. Once you will see market is showing price rejection from above, hit the sell button. And on the other hand, if market goes down, okay, in that case here also we can look for a sell at breakdown, means we can look for a sell below 1.2650. Here you can see that though market made a low of 1.2657, we are looking for a sell below 2650, because if you look at the Forex chart of GBP USD, you can see the 200 moving average acted as support here. So to look for a sell at breakdown, we need significant amount of volume, because if the volume is not sufficient, then there may be some false breakout. So try to avoid sell at breakdown on GBP USD. If you want a sell at breakdown, if you see the market is not going up for recovery, then Euro USD is a better pair to take a trade, because here the 200 moving average may cause some trouble. Okay, so again I'm repeating my reference. So the market opening is going to play a major role on both the players, pairs here. Okay, so respecting the trend of the market and looking at the present situation, sell at resistance seem to be the best trading strategy. So on GBP USD we have 1.2713 to be the immediate resistance, but if it breaks it, then 1.2735 to 1.2750 is the best level. If it doesn't go up, then we can look for a sell at breakdown, sell if it breaks the previous low of 1.2657. okay, but better we look for a sell below 1.2650. Here also similar story. Okay, if market goes up, we can look for a sell at 1.0726, but if it breaks it, then we can look for a sell around 1.0738 to 1.0750, and if it doesn't go up, then we can look for a sell at breakdown below 1.0666. So market opening is going to play a major role. Usually we don't get to see much volatility during the first half of Monday, so in that case market may remain flat as well. So let's wait and watch. Have a lovely weekend. Enjoy a nice time, quality time with your friends and family. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.